and welcome back to Sadie's Spincraft. So, you've just watched the TDF talk, and at the beginning of that I kind of explained that what I was going to use Lance for. Brain's a bit foggy, but we'll get there. So, I'm using Lance instead of the Kromsky, so the Ashford Kiwi 2, because I can stop the wheel moving as soon as I stop treadling, whereas the Kromsky, because the wheel is weighted, you can stop treadling but everything still keeps moving unless you grab hold and stop. So just because I'm making an art yarn, I am going to use Lance because I find him a bit easier to control when I have to control the yarns, well, the fibres a bit more than what I usually do, because I usually just spin for the sake of spinning, and I have a default spin that I always go to, and if I want to spin super fine I go on Gwen, which is the old-fashioned lady over there. Isn't she beautiful? So yeah, and the Kromsky I just use all the time because I love that wheel. I did buy it for my son, but he didn't really take to it, so it's now mine. Yay! It's nearly winter. Well, it might as well be winter in UK because we've just had rain for the past month and a half. It started raining on my birthday, so since 30th of June we've had rain, and we're in August. Like, what is that all about? Did it rain on St. Swithin's Day or what? Are we having 40 days and 40 nights of rain? Anyway, off that subject. I'm rambling again. We're gonna spin this bat that we made together last time. So it's the greeny blue, the blue and the purple. Wow, that's a horrible colour. Let me just stop and turn you around. We'll be spinning this beautiful bat that we made last time, which is got the sparkle and the nylon in, and I do believe it was lotus fibres. This purple is Perendale, and these blues are come on Sadie, merino. So let's work with this beautiful bat and turn it into a thick and thin single. So first of all, I'm going to split the bat because I just want to work with sections. There is going to be a slight bit of colour overlap where the colour's blended, but that's by and by. So I'll spin that into thick and thin. So I'm going to do it in colour order kind of thing. So there. Then we have those two. I do believe there's a little bit more in that one than that one. I have missed a bit, so I'm going to have to just take a bit more of that for this other one. And then they're about even. So we've got that one, and the purple. I think I might put the purple in the middle just to split up the blues. Let me get you set up so that we can start spinning this thick and thin yarn. So I'm going to start with this. I'm going to try and get it so that you can see what my hands are doing, and then I'll try film the bobbin and whatnot. But anyway, so just going to start as I normally would start, and we're going clockwise. I always spin clockwise and then anti-clockwise, which is, hang on, Z twist and then plying an S. So get that going, and a nice fine. I've got to actually think what I'm doing with this because that is my default spin. That is. So I've got a bit of length on there, so I want to try and pull a bigger chunk out than what I usually do. That wasn't, well, it might make a decent beehive, so I'm going to pull another chunk. So it is going thicker and then back thin. I'm keeping my treadle slow because I'm trying to think and not think at the same time about what I'm doing. So that's a nice thick bit, and I'll go thin again. So that is what I'm technically attempting to do. So goes thick bit and then back to a thin bit, so I'm having to basically grab a chunk that I wouldn't usually grab. Oh, it's so hard. Well, it's not, it's just I'm not one for thinking when I'm spinning. Usually when I spin, it's just because I want to spin and because I need to empty my mind and things like that. So actually having to remember to pull out a chunk is a bit of hard work. So back to fine, and then grab a chunk again. And then fine again. And then grab a chunk again. I do hope this works. I've got the concept in my mind on how to do it. I managed to sort of do it last time when I was doing the curly whirly art yarn. I think I was just doing a spiral art yarn that time. But this time I actually want to try doing proper beehives. So pull out a chunk again, twist in, fine, get a chunk, twist in, and go fine, grab a chunk, twist in, and then go fine. Oh. Grab a chunk, twist in, and have it go fine. So let's have a gander at what everything looks like on here. Oh goodness, sorry. Let's just see what that looks like up close. Oh, it's not too bad, is it? So I'll let you just watch it build up. As you watch it build up, I am going to speed it up because you don't need to see it all really slow in real time. So here we go. So that light's bugging me. It's not better there either. That's the single done. That's what I'm going to apply it with. It's glowing dark. It should be good. We'll have a gander. It might work. So yeah, let's get to this beehiving and see if we can do it. I'm so not sure. Let's just do it. Let's just get on with it. Right. So I've just tied them together in a knot. There. And I'm going to put them both through there just because I can, and I want to know that they're well secured. Right. Oh, you've wrapped around each other. Oh, you buggers. Right, stang fire. I didn't want that over that side. There we go. There we go. Right. One over that side, one over that side. Right, so I am going to apply nicely, and then just as I start coming up to the thick bit, I'm gonna turn that like that, just do a few, get that on, turn that, and hopefully feed it on like a beehive and lock it again. Feed it on like a beehive. Oh, hang on. Push that up, lock it. I think I may have a bit too much uptake on this. Go on. So, get to the next one. So lock that in. Oh, I did too much untwisting then, so it's kind of come apart. So leave that one like that and just not lock out in and just turn it into something normal. And then the next one's coming up, so put that on. Right, keep hold of that so it keeps its twist. Go into there, lock it in. Come on, lock it in. That's it. Now keep that twist in. Push that up. Lock it in. I don't know if these are working. Maybe we should check. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got summer. We've got, I wouldn't say there were beehives, but we'll have a gander at end. So I'm gonna let you watch the, what do you call it, bobbin, and then we'll go from there. finished one. It's not been washed yet, so it's still a bit slightly overspun, but that'll come out. Like some of them, like that one, or like that. But to have pretty yarn. I'm going to show you it. I'm just going to twist it up so I can show you with back camera as well. I am quite happy with myself. So let's just look. I have an art yarn that I quite like, but it's probably just another piece that will hang up and look pretty in the corner. Look at them. I've actually done quite well. I'm not too keen on this big one here. I couldn't get it any smaller, but that was the first round. By the time I got to these ones, I was like, yay, can do it. So there we go. Woohoo. So thank you so much for joining me in spinning this yarn. I'm still not, yeah, it's too fiddly. Once in a life, well, once every now and then. Yeah, I couldn't do it all the time. I like my normal, regular spinning because I'm kind of a not normal, regular kind of person. Oh, that was that intense. I'm knackered now. So, I love you all. No matter where you are in the world, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening, or night time, I want you to do what you love doing. And I'll see you all again soon. Love and hugs to all you fantastic people out there. Hi to all the newcomers. Don't forget, if you are new to the channel and you've not hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. What else am I meant to say? There is something else I can't quite remember. So anyway, I love y'all. I'll see y'all again soon. Bye, my beautifuls.